Today we're here in Miami with some of the largest yachts in the entire world. My goal is to find the owners and figure out how they did it because, to be honest, I'm trying to get one of these myself. It's pretty hard to get through these gates, but we're gonna try our best and see what we can do. Excuse me, sir. Do you own this boat?
No.
Oh, you don't? Excuse me, sir. Do you own one of these boats around here?
No, I'm looking for a job like a deckhand.
Bro is jacked. I know he got that job.
Here.
Oh, got you. Well, good luck to you, man.
Thank you so
For
much.
sure. So I just saw this guy, and I think he owns this boat right here. Let's see if I can get his attention. Shut up. Can we? I wanted to ask, how were you able to get a boat like this? What did you do for a living to get this boat?
This is the guy you want right here. This is the owner right there.
You're the owner of this boat?
Yes, sir.
Today, we're asking yacht owners how they were able to get to this level. So I'm just curious, what did you do to be able to afford a beautiful boat like this?
Faith in God and the American dream. The roofing industry, roofing services, free roof inspections, and you know, just been doing them ever since. I also manage boy bands and have a professional boxing fighter.
If you were going back to day one, starting that roofing company, what would you tell yourself?
Don't take things so personal. You know, don't live with any regret. Do you, you know, and don't ask for no apologies. And just, you know, keep your head to the grind and thank God and, you know, pray, love your mom, love your family. Just love.
It's all about love,
All
brother.
about love. What love got to do with it? All of it.
Everything, man.
All of it.
Thank you
Yes,
very
sir.
much,
Have
man.
a
We
good
really
one, man.
appreciate
Absolutely.
you too. See ya. I'm not gonna lie, that gave me the boost of confidence that I needed. Shout out to my boy. Seems like a really great guy. He had a really nice boat. Hopefully we can find some more people like him because he was cool as hell. Let's get it. I was wondering, do you actually own this yacht or are you working here?
I am working the boat.
Got you.
Yeah, and my boss is not here.
Oh, okay. I love your boat here. Are you the owner of it?
No, I'm father-in-law.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, this place is dead. I mean, there's like none of the owners here. Everybody here is just cleaning the boats, taking care of them. It's really hard to get past some of these gates. I think we're gonna go somewhere else. Okay, so we're literally pulling up to the most expensive marina in all of Miami. There's over $50 million of boats parked up here. We're just gonna walk right in. That's where we're supposed to be. Yeah, we're good. We're just gonna go right through here. Oh, whole security team. All right, we're going for it anyways. Hey, how's it going, man? Yeah, so right now I'm trying to do a YouTube video. I wanted to come try this one because this is the nicest.
It's private. Nobody else could go out there.
Fully private.
Only private.
Well, thank you guys anyways. I don't really know what to do, bro. Like, we went to the best marinas. Like, we got some interviews, but like.
I feel you. I think I could call my friend Matthias, who works in a business called like 305 Yachts, and they do charters with different yacht owners and stuff, so I could give him a call and see if he knows any owners that we could talk to.
Let's call Matthias.
Yo, what's good, bro?
Bro, chilling. Right now, we're having some trouble, and we're filming a YouTube video asking yacht owners what they do for a living, so I figured I'd hit you up and see if you got any connects to get people that we could talk to.
You got the right guy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Meet us over at the Miami Beach Marina. I got some people over there, and I'll see what I can do for you.
My boy, we on the way right now.
How are you, dog?
I'm good, man. Thank you for helping us. So guys, this right here, this is Matthias. Tell him a little bit about this business that you built, bro. I think it's really dope.
So me and my business partner, he's actually on his way over here. When I was young, we used to work on these yachts, and we kind of saw these people walking in and out, just like putting the clients on board and leaving with hella bread. We started putting this shit together, and basically what we do is we find the clientele and give them to the boat owner.
So you guys have a huge lineup of all yachts like this, but you actually don't own any of the yachts.
Yeah, we don't own any of the yachts. We have no liability of owning any of the yachts. We literally just put two and two together, make our commission, and then just head out.
Open it.
All right, go ahead.
Oh, I opened it from the start.
That's way easier than what we've been having to do today. How's it going?
Nice to meet you. Pleasure, yeah.
So Eric, you know, what do you do? How'd you get a boat like this?
I was in the entertainment business for many years, and I own nightclubs and restaurants down in Miami Beach and Atlanta. A lot of the clients that would come through just to come to Miami and kind of look for different experiences, what to do, hey, let's take a yacht out, right? So we started buying our own yachts.
How much did this boat run you, if you don't mind me asking?
When you buy this one new, it's about 3.2 million.
Wow. Do you make money off this yacht, or does it cost you money to own it? Like,
For our business, we do okay with it, yeah.
so if you were just getting started back in your entertainment days and your entrepreneur days, what would you tell yourself?
Get more sleep.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Buddy really almost broke my hand with that. Who are some of the people that you guys have actually taken out?
A lot with the full send guys, the nut guys.
Yeah.
We've taken out Kashi, we've taken out the Pons.
And how was it actually starting this business?
So we pretty much started when we were like 16 or 15. He started working on like a party boat, like a catamaran. And then from that boat, we just met a lot of new owners, you know? And we kind of got very lucky with social media. Like TikTok, we posted one video once, like our first ever TikTok, I think, went like viral. And that got us a lot of bookings.
Do you think that this is like a strategy or like a business model that other people could follow?
100%. If you find something that you want to, like middleman, you just can market it more on social media. You know, we're just, at the end of the day, we're just a middleman platform.
Yeah.
Connects owners with clients.
Well, hey, we got a couple more interviews to get to, so let's do it. Jordan, nice to meet you, Franco.
Come aboard. There's a skeet shooting machine up top.
Okay, sick. Yeah, let's check that out.
What we do is ocean skeet shooting, so no one else does that.
I've never heard of it before.
No one does. Turn it on.
That's
You can see how crazy that
is. So you had a big part in the engineering of this whole thing.
Absolutely. Yeah, that's what I did.
So that's your background before having this boat was having an engineer business, contractor?
Yeah,
What was your...
Custom fabrication, build everything and anything you possibly imagine. That's what my other company is known for.
So this probably wasn't cheap to get set up. I mean, between buying the boat, building that, and everything else.
This is you're talking a $7 million investment.
Wow. If you were starting over from the beginning, man, is there one piece that you could give to yourself of advice if you had to go back to the beginning?
Yeah, the key, I always say this, the key to entrepreneurship is basically application, hard work. It's just, you can't look back. You have to keep your fears behind you and always look in front of you.
No matter what, I'm gonna make this work.
No matter what, you can't have fear.
Thanks again, man. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
He said no?
He said no because they have a charter going out right now.
Fair enough.
So they have
To finish the day, we needed something crazy. So they spent the next 2 hours on the phone trying to set one up, and then this happened. What happened?
We got the interview. Biggest boat in Miami, bro. The biggest in Miami. Like, it's called the Seafair. It's this 4-story tall, fits 600 guests. It's like top of the fucking.
When are we doing that?
Right now.
We gotta go?
Like, we gotta go right now.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. It's crazy though, because like we literally started our day filming here. We kind of were joking about if we could get into this place or not, and we did it. That's it. We're in, man.
No trip.
We did a lot of that today. Oh, cut that out.
How's it going?
How's it going, man?
All right.
Yeah.
Jordan, nice to meet you, man.
guys.
Thanks for having us. Elevator on the boat, of course.
Yep, there's 2 passenger elevators, 1 crew elevator.
You were part of the family of this boat,
I've
right?
been the captain for 3 years.
Got you.
Yeah.
And how long has this boat been around Miami?
This boat has been here almost 10 years now. She is the largest in Miami, second largest passenger vessel like this in the United States.
What do you guys typically use this for? Is it for parties? Is it more for like business, corporate stuff?
It can be anything. We had Grant Cardone last night.
Nice.
Yeah, the 10X guy.
So this is where most of the events and socializing and everything goes down.
Yeah.
This is one of the best views of the city I think I've ever seen.
One of my favorite moments is when we had Nas out here performing.
Wow.
And we're going through the bridge, and he takes a minute, he pokes up the bridge, and says, "F you, bridge, f you." We do concerts like that all the time.
What would you say this boat is worth right now? Like, maybe you can't say it, but if you could, like, what's the value of this Seafair?
It's tens of millions.
Got you. But your family has no plan selling it. You guys are gonna keep this forever. So what was your family actually doing to be able to get this boat? Because obviously it wasn't cheap to purchase it. Like, did y'all start in the boating industry
We
or?
started in the art business, in the antique business. My parents founded Art Miami, which was the thing before Art Basel.
Yeah, I can get used to this seat right here, man. This is not too bad. No?
You should have brought your own, man.
It's fair enough. He said no, I tried it anyways. Listen, guys, we literally started today on the street. We ended up on the biggest boat in all of Miami. Shout out to Aaron. Shout out to the Seafair. I don't know how we keep doing this stuff, but subscribe. We got more on the way.
Wow. 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 Let me drive the boat.